अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक to my YouTube channel. Hi, hope that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, friends, welcome to the crafts ideas. In this video we will learn beautiful way to decorate using simple stone and wooden slice. These ideas are easy, creative and perfect for home decorate. You don't need expensive items, only a few stones, some paint and your imagination. Let's start with the first idea. You can make a game border on a wood slice, paint the surface with small flowers and draw the line of the game. The paint stone like ladybug and bees. This make a fun and colorful game for kids and also work as a cute table decoration. The second idea is to create a mini village since take around The second idea is to create a mini village skin to take around wooden slice, paint the background like a night sky or a sunset, and then use paint stone as a little house with red or colorful roof. Add 3 stars or even a moon in the background. This gives a magical fairy tale look to your wall. Another creative idea is to make a family of cats with stone. Paint the stone black and arrange them on wood slice. Add a background with the moon and sky and paint a little black wall. It looks like cats sitting together and enjoy the night. This artwork can be hung on the wall for a very unique decoration. You can also try different themes. For example, paint butterflies, birds or flowers on stone and glue them on wood slice. Every slice becomes a little piece of art. For a nature look, you can leave some stones unpainted and just arrange them in pattern with wood and jet. Add a little greenery or dry flowers for extra beauty. These crafts are perfect for gifts to a handmade stone art piece. Show love and efforts, and it is always special. Remember, the best part about this idea in the are simple and low cost, and you can